So Dr. Joe, I saw you in the hall and you mentioned an amazing study about sauna bathing, whirlpools, jacuzzis.
So yes, Amy, this is a very, very interesting study published in probably the most prestigious medical journal in the world. It's the New England Journal of Medicine, and it was just published. And it looked at sauna bathing, which means things like jacuzzi, in a large number of men in Finland, where this is a practice that's done a lot. And what it did was follow them for 20 years, and then it looked at things like risk of stroke, risk of heart attack, dying, risk of dying from a stroke or a heart attack. And it's really quite interesting, the results, yeah.
And to have that kind of longitudinal study, 20 years, how powerful is that?
Just no question. So the actual details of the study is that the men were between 40 and about 60 years old. And again, these were Finnish men from East Finland. And they studied about maybe 2,000 of them. And what they did was divide the men into how frequently they bathed in these saunas. And this could be from a couple of times once a week to up to every single day.
And what did they find was the most beneficial for how many times a week, for instance?
So what they found is that compared to the people who did not bathe or bathed only once a week, the men who were bathing more than 4 times a week, 4 to 7 times a week, had a reduction in the risk of getting significant cardiovascular events, including dying, obviously being very significant, and overall mortality. The reduction in significant cardiovascular events was a 63% reduction if you were bathing in this sauna every day. And the timing was, if you bathed for maybe up to 20 minutes, seemed to be the key to this.
So 4 to 5 times a week, 20 minutes. It sounds easier than working out to me.
I think it's all part of this. Obviously, there are health benefits beyond that. If you're going to exercise, it's going to help with muscle strains and tension after exercise. But I would say that let's rock saunas.
It makes sense. What a way to relax and stay alive healthily.
Thanks so much, Amy.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.